Rowdy City. That's right, we rowdy in the city.
Most hated in the building.
Most hated, most goddamn loved and hated at the same time. We hugged. We hugged and we laid it. We laid it. That's right, man.
That's my uncle, right?
That's right. Real talk.
And I wasn't over there.
Oh, yeah.
He was over there.
Exactly. That's right. I'm his uncle and I'm 5 years younger than him. That's because my sister was a hoe. Already. Rowdy City. And if you ain't fucking with Rowdy City, man, nigga, turn gay. Turn gay and choke on a dick. That's right. And if you a woman, choke on a pussy. That's right. Hey, get the camera off me, real talk. I'm on probation.
I got him saying, who that, who that? Who that, who that? I got him saying, who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Nigga, you know it's the Rowdy City gang. Back Bridgeport savior, God of my city. This mismatch is like putting the guard on the Vitsky. I perform best when the odds is against me. How ironic you gassed up, bars on empty. You a wingman, I'm a boss with the flow. Hot in here, I get it popping like pork on the stove. Never come up short with my dough, or it's click clack. Push a wig back to the call for your go. I'm about to turn this damn session to a tragedy. Niggas wanna battle me, on they bat they got batteries. Manny pack swag, they can't find a match for me. Innocent MCs become casualties. Learn from the OGs, don't let these snakes rattle me. Swear I won't stop till I got puff salary. Now niggas mad at me, say my name once to get money murked. It'll be the end of life, no May 21st. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Nigga, you know it's the Rowdy City gang. Bang. Who that, who that? I got him saying, who that, who that? I got him saying, who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Nigga, you know it's the Rowdy City gang. Bang. No limits, I'm body, nigga. Got the drug flow, this is for the powder sniffers. I'm a G, far from a coward, nigga. And your boy hold more weight than powerlifters. Born most hated, now the poor folks' favorite. Came from nothing, why you think your boy's so flagrant? Top 5 spitters so far from overrated. Haters praying on my downfall, hoping I don't make it. But I put my niggas on, my niggas put they niggas on. Block product, got the game locked in the figure 4. Told y'all gon' be crazy from here on out. I play the villain, you sell, I'll take the hero route. One of a kind, fuck is all I'm comparing about. Real shotters, Rowdy City riders through the air and out. Nigga, it's the Rowdy, C-I-T-Y. Fire flow, get your ass deep fried. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Nigga, you know it's the Rowdy City gang. Bang. Who that, who that? I got him saying, who that, who that? I got him saying, who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Nigga, you know it's the Rowdy City gang. Bang. Check, all I do is win. Khaled voice, young soldier got the whole game paranoid. East Coast lock, even making Cali noise. Boss like Cuban, team ballin' like the Mavericks boys. Want a bigger piece of the pie, a bigger portion. Won't give me my respect, I take it by extortion. Kick the fucking door in without a fucking warning. Fuck it, I'ma force them, demand that y'all endorse them. Name your top 5 rappers, I demolish all them. Up and come a vets, no matter, put your dollars on them. I told you once before, I'm the top dog. Number 1, hip-hop, John Wall. Beast unleashed, haters better back off him. Best puncher from CT, Chad Dawson. Who you know from the trap this dope? Heavyweight champ of this shit, rap clicks go. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Nigga, you know it's the Rowdy City gang. Bang. Who that, who that? I got him saying, who that, who that? I got him saying, who that, who that? Bitch, I got that flame. Nigga, you know it's the Rowdy City gang. Bang.